Ngayon, paano naman kung offline ang card readers or walang signal sa station? So, minsan kahit gaano ka-prepared sa cashless transactions, no, tech will always be tech. Which means, may mga oras na papalya yan. So, paano kung biglang offline yung card reader or di ka makaswipe kasi no signal? Okay? Or yung GCash app mo ay mag-load kasi walang internet. The digital system is only as good as its uptime. So, kung uptime ang network, then good to go yan. Pero once mag-down ng system, dapat may fallback. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung may additional wifi or meron ba silang methods na gagawin para i-alleviate yung mga problema nito sa cashless payment. I don't know. Hindi pa natin alam kasi kaka-launch pa lang Hindi natin sure kung ano ba yung mga problemang kakaharapin nila. Pero dapat the MRT3 management should have foreseen these things, no? Kumbaga na nakita nila in the future para ready na sila just in case it happens.